Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Linux Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video. On Tether, wanted to do a bit of an update. It's nice to look at Tether right now because the market is down a little bit. I mean, obviously, if you look at the last week, we're still up quite a bit, but Tether is in a massive bull run slash uptrend right now. Now, before we get into this video, I do want to say that be careful, all right? Tether right now, I think, looks bullish. I personally also bought Tether yesterday at $100, and I'll also tell you why in this video. Was also shared in the Signal chat. So I'll tell you why, and I think we can rally higher than this, even though we are at a major resistance level right now between 120 and 125. But in general, and most of you who know Tether know this as well, but in general, Tether is a very hard crypto to trade. You can also see that right here. It's just very spiky. And you can have these big spikes, big drops down. So eventually this rally is going to turn into a big crash. The problem is, or the good thing is that before that crash, we could rally much higher. All right, look at the 3-day chart of Tether. This has once spiked all the way up to $600. So that's crazy, but more than this is possible, all right? And that's a blessing and a curse in a way that it's a blessing that you can actually make a lot of money with that volatility, both longing and shorting, even though I would not short right now. But that also means that at some point of time, a lot of people are going to be liquidated. So be careful, all right? That's what I want to say. But for now, let's get into Tether. So the main reason why I bought yesterday, and that's also the main reason why I am still bullish on Tether, is that what you saw yesterday, and that's still the case, and this has been the case for a while, the momentum since last week, Thursday, has gone up incredibly, 5x, all right, from 50 million to $250 million in open positions. During that entire time, spot buying has been positive, and both CVDs in general have been positive. So that means that most of these positions opened, which is logical, but still, it's good to know, are long positions. And there's actually spot buying supporting the price as well. So what you saw yesterday in the morning is that the momentum increased again. And basically every time after we see some sort of a momentum increase like this, the price obviously spikes up because it means that positions are being opened. But usually it also continues to grind up. So that's why I bought yesterday. It's high risk, and right now my stop loss is at entry. But that's why I bought right here. As you can see, we had a major resistance level around 100 and 104, broke above that, took that break retest. And right now, the situation is that everything is still looking positive. The momentum is again moving up, the spot buying positive, CVD positive, and we are at a resistance level, but the momentum is not really decreasing even though we're at that resistance level, which is what you would expect because at a resistance level, usually positions are closed. So for now, it would be stupid of me to say that we're going to drop down. So I think it's most likely we will move up to 125, which you can see is a bit of a resistance, but that we will break above that level to head up towards 130 and especially right here around 140, 144. So that's what I think is most likely. I see no reason why Tether would not continue to go up, except for the fact that, like I said, it's manipulated. So at some point of time, if you see a sharp decrease in price, but really like you'll not really be able to spot it often. But if you see something like this, like a big sell order, then be careful. All right. So far we have not really seen that. But once that happens and you see the open interest drop down, right here, by a lot. So for example, you can just see like if you see a red wick with a red candle with a very long wick to the downside, that's usually a big sell order by a whale. All right. So if you see that, be more careful and consider taking some profits, which I would definitely do either way. But for now, still looks most likely to go up. Next target is, like I said, 130 a little bit, but then especially 140. Then after that, we can easily start talking about 165. Which is also possible. It just depends on how we react to resistance levels. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.